Well, here we are, guys. This probably is the ultimate Thai roast beef dinner. Beef Nam Tok or Nam Tok Neua. Now I'm using top round cut steak, a little bit of marbling in there. It is Aussie beef, so we need to make a marinade. Add 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of seasoning soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of white pepper, 1 teaspoon of ground coriander seeds which have been roasted, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of fish sauce, and a tablespoon of veg or palm oil, and give it a mix in. Now the coriander seed is the secret to this beef. It's amazing. Mix in and let it stand for about 3 hours. Right guys, this is what we call sawtooth coriander, but basically it's a Thai vegetable. Now I'm going to miss it out of my ingredients. I don't think the majority of people have sawtooth coriander. Now if you do have sawtooth coriander, obviously chop it finely and include it. Okay, so our sauce then is straightforward. It's 3 tablespoons of fish sauce, 3 tablespoons of lime juice, and 1 tablespoon of palm sugar, and give it a good mix in. And then we need to add our vegetables. So we want about 2 tablespoons of finely chopped coriander, 2 tablespoons of finely chopped green onion, and about 2 tablespoons of finely chopped mint leaves. Add 1 teaspoon of chili flakes, or as much chili or as little chili as you like, whatever you can take. Give it a little mix in, and then we need to add about half a cup of finely chopped shallots. And then the secret ingredient to one of our sauces is 1 tablespoon of ground dry roasted rice powder. And that's our sauce complete. All we need to do now is cook our meat on our barbecue. Now we're looking to cook the meat somewhere rare to medium. We want a little bit of softness and juiciness in our beef as we add this to our sauce. So take your time, make sure you cook your meat how you want your meat cooking. And then we need to let the meat rest for about 15 minutes, and this will release the juices from the meat and settle the meat down. And then we're going to actually use the meat juices in our sauce. Put the juices in the sauce. Now cutting our meat, we need to cut it to whatever desired thickness that you like. Now thin sliced meat is a good option. It's easier to eat. Don't forget, add all the meat juices. Add the meat to the sauce and give it a stir in, and add the juices from the board after you've been cutting the meat. Put all the juices in. This is all flavour. This is the flavour we need. Give it a good stir up and we're ready to serve. And that's our beef nam tok made. So simple. Serve up with some sticky rice, cucumber, bit of veg, whatever you like. Up to you. Oh, the ultimate Thai roast beef dinner. Absolutely phenomenal. The smokiness from the barbecue mixed with the marinated beef. Now guys, if you like what we're doing, making real Thai food, don't forget like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.